Hello band, this is Sergeant Raker, and welcome to a tutorial about OBS. I'll show you how to install and configure open broadcast software for your device. Welcome back. Thanks for watching all my videos. It's actually been a lot of fun making these so far. Okay, we're talking about OBS. This is the software you need for screencasting from your device. I really like this software. It's free, it has lots of versatility, and I sort of kind of understand it, so that means you can call me if you have questions. Okay. Cool feature number one, you can cast your screen. There we go. All right, so here is obsproject.com. This is where you want to go. This is their home page. You want to go, this is how to download it. So you want to go to your respective machine. I'm not sure who uses Linux in our band, but probably somebody. Anyway, click. I'm a Windows user. And as it's downloading over here, you can check out the studio overview, which has kind of a breakdown of features. There's a good frequently asked questions section, help portal. Yeah, so it's a pretty helpful website and describes their software very much in depth. This video is just about how to get started. Okay, so I've now downloaded my installer. Where is it? Here, oh, it went to my other screen. Okay, so here's my downloads folder. This is OBS full installer.exe. I'm guessing that you've installed a program before, but in case you haven't, these are the steps. So that first one asked me if I want to make changes to, if I want to allow the software to make changes to my device. Yes, I do, because I'm trying to install something. Then here is Studio. This is a standard installation wizard. You're going to go next, and then you're going to hit install. But I already have OBS running as I am currently recording with it, so it's not going to let me install it right now. Anyway, you go through the install wizard. Good job. Now it's installed. All right, let's configure OBS. You want to go to File, Settings. You want to go to Output. Then, in the recording section, you'll have some options to, these will be clickable. Right now they're not clickable because I am currently recording and it doesn't let me change recording settings while I'm recording. But these are the recording settings you want. You want high quality, medium file size. You want this to say MP4. This is your output type. MP4 is my preferred file type. So when you send them to me, if they're in MP4, it's going to be much easier for me to work with. So please, MP4 here. And encoder, this will probably be your default. It might be different if you're on a Mac, but yeah, don't worry about this one. This is an important spot. This is where you're going to record to. So after you're done recording a video in OBS, it will be saved to this location. You can click Browse here to select a different folder. And this can be anything convenient for you. Just remember where it is so that you can upload to the Google Cloud after you're done with your video. All right, awesome. Next, I'm going to skip audio and go straight to video. I lied to you. That is it. That is it in the settings. The audio and video are going to be down here. This is how we configure audio and video. So let's do video first. You're in the sources pane. This is going to be the source of your video, and you want to add a video source. Let's say you want to add a webcam. You look for video capture device. This is the one you want. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to leave it the default video capture device. Now you come to this panel. It's going to give you options here under device. It will list all the cameras that OBS finds on your device. The beautiful view that you're looking at right here is the backside of my computer, and a little bit of scratches on my wall, little cable. Anyway, if I switch it to the front camera, hello, you'll get the video camera that I've mostly been using. The screen I'm looking at is up here, so I'm not really looking at you right now. Okay. There's a bunch of options, and you're going to ignore them all. Just click OK. You can get into those options later if you really want to, and it'll be, yeah, it's helpful, but at this point, you just want to leave it as it is. So now you're looking at me talking through the webcam. I'm going to go back to the monitor. This video capture device that I'm highlighting down here is what was just added. And you can move it around just like the other ones, and when you move it to the top location, it becomes your active source. Okay, next up, audio mixer. So you will have, once you configure your video capture device, you will have one of these, and there's many of them here, and only one of them is bouncing when I talk. So that's the one we want to focus on. Don't worry about setting these up super specifically. What you want is some sort of level. If you're getting a green thingy here, that's good. Good. So the next thing is that you want your maximum level. So you see how there's this leftover thing when I was a little bit louder? That's called your max level. Your max level needs to be under the red. If it's on this line right here, this is actually ideal. So my level is set just a little bit too high. Yeah, right there. This is good, right on this. That's what you want. How do you adjust that? So let's say that your level is up here. I'm starting to yell a little bit to make it a little louder. And you want to bring your level down. You can use this little fader right here. And now you can see, well, let me let it reset. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So now my max level has gone down a bit. It used to be here, now it's here. You can adjust it a little more until your max level is right where you want it. And now I'm feeling pretty good. I feel like I'm definitely not going to clip. It's bouncing up to about here now. Perfect. All right. If you're way up here, you're going to get a lot of distortion, and that's going to be a bummer. I can't fix distortion. I can fix too quiet, but I can't fix too loud. And this is your last pane that we need to talk about. This is your control pane. You have a stop recording button. You're going to see a start recording button, but I can't show that to you or else I will not be recording. It's kind of a meta problem. Anyway, this toggles from start to stop, depending on if you're recording or not. And I'm going to press that stop recording because this is the last point I'm making in this video. Hope that was helpful. It was a little long, but bear with me. I'm still new to making recordings. So are you. We're going to get through this together. All right, band. Happy videoing. Bye.